Wow, that's like at least 9 wishes. Okay, easy, easy, easy. They're brass. Do you want one?
Well, considering that they're attached to the shelf, I'm gonna go with no.
Do you want one? Got some pictures.
I did that.
Yeah. Now. On our way.
Start eating.
Kanamada. Like
have,
2 hours after we just ate. Taylor? Taylor? What happened?
I dropped your book and then pretended to throw it into the lake.
Oh, okay. I looked away and looked back and you were gone. just poof, gone.
Isn't that just a metaphor for life?
Wow.
What?
Wow. First stop, Hawaii. Oh yeah.
I got tulips and sake.
Tataki. Just a little bit of poison grace, please.
We're going to Mexico.
Beautiful.
That was a good picture.
How is it?
I don't know, I need my fork.
Oh boy, well, I don't have hands for that. Tuna tataki.
It's really good. I love seared tuna though.
Yeah. That looks awful seared.
It's good. The wasabi cream is wasabi-y.
Okay, great,
Gives you that, like,
wasabi-y flavor.
burn.
Yeah. Now, is it the burn that hits you in the nose, or does it stay where it's supposed to?
It hits you in the nose.
Great.
Yeah.
Great.
I mean, if you don't, like, inhale really sharply as you take a bite, it's not too bad.
Which I do every time I eat wasabi, because I
me
never
too.
learn.
This is has sour cream in it, though, so I think it cuts that burn a little bit.
Gotcha.
Very good.
Gotcha. On our way to Canada. Already broke a sweat. It's gonna be a long day.
Jay got the beer from Canada.
Are we on the internet?
Yeah.
Okay, thank goodness.
It's a blonde citrus
Citrus.
ale. Oh, is it strong?
Same circumstance. It just is.
Just beery?
When they say citrus blonde, it's like lemon peel.
Oh, so bitter.
It's not citrusy, it's just the zest. It is like crisp, which is great for
Oh yeah, well,
a hot day like
that's-
this. But
And then, even though it's 1,000,000,000 degrees outside, we had to get the cheddar cheese soup because we have made this at home multiple times and we love it. Sorry, there was a terrible shadow on that I didn't see. All of this from Canada. Oh wow, that is a way to do it. Is it the best?
we make a cheddar bacon soup at home.
We make
That
this. This is the recipe I use.
See, that's great because I was going to say that's very similar to this.
Yeah, because I stole this recipe.
It's great.
Wow, we do a good job. It tastes just like this.
Just like it.
Yay.
Finally.
Attempt number 3
To get the Killiney Red.
from Ireland.
It goes out, they run out of the lot, I guess.
Does it smell?
Nice notes of beer in the nose.
Cool.
Yeah. Lighter and a little more bitter red ale than I was expecting, but I'll still drink it all. I'd have a pint.
One of the prettiest shots in Disney, in my opinion. It's World Showcase. The characters in Flight Balloon in the background. The lagoon.
Is this bridge open for the fireworks illumination?
Yeah,
Be a good spot to watch it from.
it would be a good spot. It's a little bit over so you don't have a flag right in the center. You're golden. Cool. Though I like watching illuminations from like the middle so you have Spaceship Earth in the background.
Yeah, that's a good view.
Yeah. What'd you get?
Beer.
Beer.
Well, I got beer.
Cool. How's it?
I haven't tried it. I just got here.
Try it.
Okay.
Drink it. It's like French Bud Light. Oui.
That's exactly what it is. It's Bud Light, but like just a hair more sure of itself.
There you go.
Yeah. What about the makeup they must use?
It's like, her skin was like perfect.
Got it caked on there, huh?
Yeah.
Or maybe she's just perfect.
She might have a really good skin. I think she naturally has
Might
really good
just
skin.
be perfect.
Ready?
Yeah.
How you feeling?
Fine. It hits about as hard as, you know, Bud Light does, so I don't
It's just like,
feel
it's
any
really
different.
unimpressive.
Yeah, man. It's like the kind of thing that I would drink with oatmeal. Like, it's just bland. There's no flavors to complement anything. I don't know.
All right, ready?
Yeah, I guess. I had something to watch this flavor of pretentiousness out of my mouth.
I don't know what's next. Brazil, we did that one.
Yeah, I'd do it again though. Ugh, you kidding me?
The food there.
Those cheese puffs?
I know. Those,
do that every day.
Those darn cheese puffs. So in a food and wine traditional fail, we forgot to show you our food and drinks from Belgium. It was a stew that Jake really, really liked.
Yeah, it's the beer-based beef. One of the best things I've had here.
And then we got the beer flight, and this is actually something happening behind him that an animal, I'm hoping. This is probably some of the 3 best beers, in my opinion, that I've had here that I really like.
From Belgium.
Yeah.
And the beef was like tender, fall apart. It was like pot roast.
It's really good.
Really creamy potatoes.
Really, really good.
What do you hot?
That's awesome. I wonder, I can probably try to find a recipe for that.
It was good. I mean, it was basically beef stew on mashed potatoes, but like,
Delicious.
yeah. What do you think, Internet? Taylor says it's a hidden Mickey. I say it's 2 baskets in a bottle.
You're just so much fun, aren't you?
But we are. Well, that was fun. That was a very good interaction.
That was good. Baklava.
Baklava
what I got.
on the carpet. Sounds sticky.
Look at that. Jasmine was giving her prince was. You talk a lot.
Yeah, it was like, we're trying to speed this up here, guy.
Yeah, it was funny.
Which I feel like in real/Disney life, that's the kind of look she'd be giving him.
Yeah. Oh, definitely. All princes are troublemakers.
Good times.
Good times. On to the next one.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Well,
Well,
I guess it's time for a sake flight. Let's go have ourselves a sake
so
experience.
the only sake I've ever had was like $3 sake from the liquor store, and it was so
Yeah.
gross. It sort of.
It wasn't even bottom shelf. It was the stuff they moved off the bottom shelf and put on the ground to make room for the other bottom
Yeah,
shelf
it was
sake.
really bad. So I haven't had it since, and that was in college.
Yeah. Oh, college.
Oh, college. I was 21. Don't worry. Beer, beer, and beer.
And more importantly, there's a dog here.
But
The beer.
beer.
So we went to, what was this?
Block and Hans,
Block and Hans.
where they have funnel cake, mostly. But we got the
But
beer.
not the same booth that you can get the beer from. Don't go to the beer booth and ask for funnel cake because they're not going to be able to give it to you.
Really?
Correct. They only do beer out of the beer booth.
Oh.
Funnel cake one's right next to it.
Oh, I don't think I knew that. Cool. Have you made that mistake before?
No, but the people who got in line, 2 people behind us did.
Ah.
Proceed, France, Belgium, Brazil, Block and Hans. So this is the Orlando. I assume this is the blonde ale.
No, that's the wheat ale. This is the blonde ale.
Oh, that's weird. Okay, I've never seen the blonde look like that, but alright. So we got the blonde ale. We got the wheat ale.
Got a stout.
We got a helicopter.
Got an IPA. Got a Kentucky bourbon barrel.
This is what I'm worried about.
I'll drink it.
I'm not a huge fan of the selection on the flight. I would have put the bourbon barrel on the flight so you don't have to drink 12 ounces of a 9% beer.
But we get it.
But we get it.
Yeah.
You can still get a full beer of any of them that you want.
Yeah.
So whatever.
It makes sense.
You know, it's really not a true Disney trip unless every other time you go to the bathroom you frantically wave your hands under a sink and it doesn't work. Almost every other time. I would say it's about a 50% chance I'll pick a sink that I cannot turn on. Sexy. I thought you. Nice. That is the way to do it, ladies and gentlemen. We're champions.
Heckin' beautiful.
We're champs. Voice of Liberty?
Yeah. America. Love America.
America. Frickin' America.
Freedom and justice. Freedom and justice. Liberty for all.
Welcome, friends. We are the Voices of Liberty.
Freedom and justice. Liberty for all. Freedom and justice with liberty for all. Oh, beautiful for spacious skies, for amber waves to rain, for purple mountain majesty above the fruit plain. America, America, God shed His grace on thee, and from thy good great brotherhood, from sea to shining sea, from sea to shining sea. America, America,
We're going to get started with some Disney songs that I think you'll recognize right away. When the road looks rough ahead, just remember what your old pal said. Yeah, you've got a friend in me.
Mr. Lancer, what will your pleasure be? Take your order, jot it down. You ain't never had a friend like me, no, no, no. Can your friends hear that? Can your friends hold this? How will you never had a friend like me? So Mr. Lancer, I'm a wish you're still free. We're on the job, you've been made by. Never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend. Never had a friend. You ain't never had a friend. Tis a gift to be free. Tis a gift to come down where we ought to be. And when we find ourselves in the place just right, 'twill be in the valley of love and tis a gift to be simple, tis a gift to be free.
time to sit cross-legged.
That was one of my favorite groups I think I've ever seen, like of the performers. There was 2 of my favorites in there, so.
So well blended, and what I think is so great about Voices of Liberty in general is like, I didn't hear a single person walking out of there whose response was anything other than like, that was inexplicably.
Yeah.
Like, they should be performing.
God,
They should
so
be performing someplace
I know.
much higher than
It's
Disney.
so
but for whatever
good.
reason, they stick around here.
Yeah, a couple new faces that I hadn't seen in there, and it's just phenomenal. It's so good. So, I don't know what we're doing next. We'll let you know.
What are we doing now? We're getting paella from Spain. Nice. Nice. Paella on a plate. Spanish booth paella outside the bathrooms, 2K19. Initial impressions, go.
I think the rice is how it's.
Hold on. Important train things are happening. Hey, goddamn right, train. All right, anyway.
Opera House train, it looks like.
Yeah. Anyway.
So for me, the rice is slightly undercooked, but I like pretty mushy rice.
Yeah, you do like mush.
So.
I like it
I
a
think the
little
flavor's
textured,
really
so I like it a lot. Yeah, a lot of herbs, a lot of spice.
There's some chicken.
Oh, really? Chicken, sausage.
Yeah,
No seafood.
it's pretty good. They have a seafood dish there.
Oh, okay. Germany. 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 Anyway.
Hey, everyone.
Yeah.
If you're coming in the summer or the fall or the spring when it's really hot, get a cooling towel.
That's where it's at.
Yeah, this is
Pretty great, huh? Wow.
great.
Sicky, oi, oi, oi.
You got did you get wiener?
Got a wiener. It's a wiener.
And beer.
Plus beer.
Can I take a picture of your wiener?
Sure.
Thanks.
Just don't put it on the internet. Do it for the gram. She did it for the gram.
Spilled it. I hope that's not spicy.
We're gonna find out. What do you think?
It's good.
Pretty great?
I think it's curry.
We just had the beans, so try the shrimp, the part everybody cares about. That looks like it's gonna be spicy. Gotta protect the pants at all costs. Protect the pants. Very important. Protect the pants.
Not spicy.
Really? Well, all right. Nice. All right. I don't drink and I like wine. Well,
A lot of flavor.
yeah, real low. It just keeps happening.
Yeah.
The flavor just keeps being there. Well, great. I'm glad you enjoyed your stuff. Yeah, I'm dying, so I'm gonna step out of the sun. It's hot. Taylor's getting the Swiss cheese raclette from the Alps. She said walk over here and find some shade. This is pretty much it. This is what I got to work with. Wahoo.
This is the raclette, which
Oh, look at that pull factor.
is pretty good.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, there's a pickle.
Oh, it's a pickle. Oh, a pickle. I think technically it's a gherkin, but yeah. How is it? I
I
don't.
want to eat just the cheese.
Is it Swiss?
Yeah. With the potato, you don't really taste the cheese, but just do that and a little.
Oh yeah, put it all together. See what it's like.
You can have
Yeah, get in there.
Ooh, I like that.
Great.
Welcome.
Good. It's the Don. Hey.
Got cheese on my face. I don't want Donald to see my cheese on my face.
No, yeah, I got cheese on your face. Perfect.
Thank you. That's awesome. Yeah, we are here in Disney, so we had to come back for 5 years.
Yes.
Yeah, for $4.
Thank you. The modeling our relationship after years and days is we just have to
Alright. Thank you. Alright, thanks Donald. Have a great day. Stay cool.
like seem long and they go really, really fast. And
Yeah,
others you get in and seem short and they like take forever to get through.
Well, that is very much up to the PhotoPass person. Like that woman was like, snap, 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 get out of the way.
Yeah, and the character too. Like this morning, Mickey was like, "Oh yay, hi, hug, move on."
Yeah, right.
Donald or Goofy and Minnie were more like interactive. So I think it just depends. But yeah, it was good. I like meeting the characters. It's fun, and the pictures are always really cute. So.
Yeah, and now we got one with Donald in Mexico.
Finally,
Yeah.
after he's like
Like
so
4
many
years of doing this.
I know. There's some that we just like always pass up on, but I'm glad to have met.
Add him to the list.
Add him to the list.
All right, Disney, listen, I appreciate what you're trying to do here, but I am a heckin' planner. When you say she's here 11:30 to 2:10 and then you bring her out at 2:15,
Yeah,
it makes it hard to
Some
plan.
mixed signals.
It makes it really hard to plan.
Maybe 2:10 is the final time she comes out until
Well, then she's 5 minutes late.
she is back.
Either way, I'm displeased.
Food here, helping out. Yeah, it's all delicious. We had so much of it. So much food. It's been delicious though.
Too bad. Thank you. I like duck kisses.
Alright, I'll see you.
After yours.
On this second. Oh, okay, baby. Okay. So sassy. We love it so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, Susie. Have a great day. She's the best.
She's the best. Wow, we met Dawn. We met Daisy.
We met the
Goof.
The only one we haven't met is Pluto.
We didn't meet Pluto?
I haven't met Pluto this trip.
Where?
Kind of a hard character to find. I think he's at the front of Epcot, so if he's there on the way out, maybe we can grab him, and then we've met like all of the main characters.
Okay.
But we're gonna go buy
Yeah, things and stuff. Is it everything you want in a mug and more?
I don't want it. My mom specifically requested this mug, so I'll get it for her.
All right.
Because I'm the best daughter ever.
And I'm getting this. Heck yeah. I think I dropped my thing. I'm not sure.
All right, friends.
Epcot, Park Hopping to Animal Kingdom 2K19.
Back at ya. We're heading out, heading to Animal Kingdom for Flight of Passage, Fast Pass, and other things.
Wait, what other things?
I don't know. I figured maybe we can before dinner grab a drink in Nomad.
That's where we eat. Wait, is Nomad Lounge where we ate the morning of our wedding?
No,
That was something.
that was Rainforest.
Yeah, Rainforest Cafe. So what's Nomad? Have I been there?
It's the lounge connected to Tiffin's.
Oh,
It's really cool inside.
well, that's nice. It's like right there.
Yeah,
That'd be perfect.
awesome. I love your character face. I'm so excited.
Over exuberant smile and waving. As far as dogs go, top three.
Top three.
Top three dog.
Top three. Thanks, Luna. Have a good day. We make one wrong turn, walk the whole way down the wrong bus stop, come back, and right as the bus arrives.
It was like it was meant to be, but I didn't need the extra 200 steps in my life.
Gotta get those steps, Jake.
Yeah.
We got them. I got nearly 12,000 so far, so
That's pretty good considering it's like not even 3.
yeah.
You seem to be struggling.
Can't get this one off.
There you go. There you go.
You have to be smarter than the shrimp, which, when you're me, it's hard.
Taylor, smarter than a cooked shrimp since 2K19.